I want to grow on YouTube. I want to grow on YouTube. I want to make social media money, content creating money. Don't you know that as days are going by, things is becoming more hard, YouTube is becoming more difficult, things is dragging a lot of people backward, left, right, and center. See, you have to think of a business strategy as someone that is creating content on YouTube. You understand? Now, what is this business strategy that you have to think of? You have to tell yourself that right now, when it comes to this content creating of a thing, one YouTube channel should not be enough for you. Let me on my lights. Yes. One YouTube channel should not be enough for you. You have kids, create channel for those kids. Open channel for those kids. Let them start grooming those channel gradually. You understand? That's why a lot of people, when they see me, they said, Sonia, it's like now you be the Igbo person. Your husband now be the Kogi person. I love to think fast. And what is one way to think fast? Look out for source of income as early and as quick as possible. One person is having over 10 YouTube channel. You are developing one for years to years and you are comfortable. How do you think that profitability you're looking for will definitely come to your table? Yes. A lot of people might said, oh, some persons have one channel and the one channel is making enough money that even 10 channels cannot make. My darling sister, my darling brother. The only issue why that 10 channel is not making more than what the person that is having one channel is making is because you don't know the right code to profitability. You have 2 children, 3 children. Can you please create a channel for them? Create a channel for them and gradually start posting their content. Now, when you start posting their content gradually, at the end of the day, before those children go down turn 6, 7, 12, 18, they're already making money. I stumbled across one lady's channel yesterday where she was talking about all her children are YouTubers. And when I checked, I found out that this lady started creating content 15 years ago. Or was it 12 years ago? I think it was 12 years ago. And all her kids, they have YouTube channel. This lady have up to 8 kids. I don't know if you guys know her. She's a popular content creator here. All her children literally have channel. Even the one that is in school right now, her channel is booming and doing well with over 100,000 subscribers. And when I looked at this lady, I was like, how can this family ever be poor? Why wouldn't this family go east, west, north, and south, travel everywhere they want to travel? Where I am not the only one bringing things, where it is not only one YouTube channel is bringing money, everywhere is bringing money. And you are in Nigeria, you are in US, you are in UK, you are in Canada. You have not considered any of these. How can I make this YouTube channel more profitable for me? When you have a YouTube channel and it's coming from east, west, north, and south, at the end of the day, you are getting something. I have 3 amazing monetized YouTube channels on this YouTube street. And at the end of the day, every month, each and every one of them brings something. Among my thought channel, one channel I did not upload throughout this month. I personally do not want to upload. Not like I don't have content to upload. Because I want to see if that would still generate money. But it still generated money for me. Now, when Vibe with Sonia bring, Life of Vibe with Sonia bring, Make Money with Sonia bring, I join it together, I get something. And now you will still be on just one channel, years after years, with just one channel. I am struggling. Getting 1,000 subscribers is difficult. Getting 4,000 watch hours is difficult. Who do you think will come and do it for you? If you don't wake up as early as possible, shine your eyes to make money from content creating, which is the oil money right now. I don't know how it will be in 2026. Instead of complaining, go and start implementing all of these things that we are implementing. And start thanking me in the comment section. And at the same time, start looking for what you can put on this channel. Some persons have channel in this same YouTube street that at the end of the day, they are not even the one creating content. Some channels, when they say, now people get, and do you think they are the one creating content? They have an editor creating content for them and uploading on those channels. Their own work is just to sit down, relax. At the end of the month, they collect what they want and they pay the editors or they pay whosoever they are paying. And you will still sitting there just with one channel. I know go hear word. One channel you are frustrated. One channel you are giving up. One channel you are not making money. Content creator has money. Open your eyes, shine your eyes, and start enjoying that same money if you want to maximize YouTube earning and earn more on YouTube as a content creator. Una know, see, whenever I have information, I will not withhold it. I will tell you guys. So if you're still in the business of, I'm okay with my one channel, Sonia, don't worry, leave me with my one channel. You are on your own. On your is your case. And if you are not okay with where you are, poverty is still dealing with you. Wake up, create multiple channels, create channel for your loved ones, create channel for your husband, create channel for your children, because the more you keep sleeping on it every day, the harder YouTube is becoming. The more you keep sleeping on it, the harder content creating is becoming. So wake up, no sleep, collect your money. That is what you should be telling yourself at this point of your life. That is what you should. How do I even want to explain again? Except you don't want to make money, I beg. I don't need to explain too much. They say the word is enough for the wise. If you're still struggling, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to do it. Now check the description box. My mail is there. People that are connecting with me through mail, they know how far. They know say Sonia. If I mount, I mount. If I mount, I mount. And they've been thanking God for coming across my way. Check the mail in the description. faith3195@gmail.com. Call me so that me and you can go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, so that your channel can be successful and fruitful. There is no time. There is no food for lazy man. If you have not even built channel at all, you have not even started, you have not built. We build channel. We will help you and build channel. Send us a mail. Let's get your coaching section started. Some people will even say, come and just go to my channel. See what is happening, Sonia. Am I doing well? Is there anything I'm doing wrong? Is there anything we can minus? Is there anything we can add? Sonia, check my settings for me. Is it okay? Do you think those people are not getting sense? Do you think they don't have sense? Those people have sense. And by the time we go, we see one or two things. Establish relationship. Before you know, channel don't they move forward. Check the mail and send us a DM. Let's work on your channel. Are you not tired? If you're not tired, I'm tired on behalf of you. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yes, with no further ado, like I say in my videos, I'm going to say bye. I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Go and create content.